What's up, guys? I bought a second-hand preloved Mavic Mini from Sir Jairus Salutan, who is from Borongan City, Eastern Samar. That's just like 3 to 4 hours away from our place here in Palolete, which is just beside Tacloban. And the funny thing is, nagkita kami kahapon para ibigay sa akin yung box and then yung propeller guard. We had the transaction through LBC cash on pickup because I and he thought that na hindi kami pwedeng magkita. He is in the police force and he told me nga na baka October pa siya makapunta ng Tacloban. But the thing is, nakapunta siya kahapon at sayang, sana meet up na lang. Pero nauna yung box, nakikita naman sa video yon, tsaka yung prop guard. Tapos ngayon ko pa lang nakuha yung drone. Eto, sa LBC. Start. Nakapaloob na siya sa bag niya. She comes with the Fly More combo. So I scored this for 19,000 pesos, roughly $400. The new ones, the brand new ones are actually at 26,000 pesos. But I had to buy this kasi 4 months old lang pa lang naman siya. And then 4 months old pa lang siya, and then may extra money pa ako for other accessories. So, dito na siya. So, shout out po kay Sir Jairus Salutan. Thank you for this. I hope walang problema, lalo na sa shipping. Dito na siya. Ta-da! So, andito yung power brick niya, which is hindi sa Philippine pero pwede naman tong lagyan ng adapter. And then yung micro USB to USB-A, charging hub which comes with 3 batteries. So there, looks smooth. Seldom nga lang siguro talaga nagamit. And then keep muna natin to, nakakatakot naman. Ito na naman yan. Okay, and then we have the remote. So guys, this is my first drone. Dito siya. So, ito yung removable sticks for the controller. Ano ba to? Ayaw mag-snap in place. Natakot tuloy. Ito kaya. Ano ba tayo? Okay. Snap in place na pala siya. Ay, screw pala. Sorry guys. Okay, yan na siya. Dito nilalagay yung phone, but I'm using this phone for now. And then what do we have here? It's a little box. This logo on. I don't know what this is for. So might as well open it. I think these are the extra propellers. Looks sealed, parang hindi pa nagamit, which is good. And then what is this? Ito naman yung ibang data cables. Micro USB to Lightning for iPhones. And then naman yung micro USB to micro USB. My phone is Huawei Mate 10, released back in 2017 pa. And it comes with a USB-C. So ito yung gagamitin natin mamaya. It's raining hard outside. I don't know when I can test this. So sige lang. Meron pang isa. Ano ba to? Extra joysticks. Other accessories guide and quick start guides. Ito siya. Sorry. And finally, the drone itself. Have here our Mavic Mini. So sabi sa mga tutorials, yung unahin mong i-flap out is yung nasa taas. So ganyan. And then sa baba na. Medyo nahihirapan ako. Tatakot tuloy ako. Okay. Baba pala. Ulit pala niya guys. Kala ko malaki. Ang gaan din niya. Singgaan lang ng phone ko. And then, meron siyang ano. Oh my god, it comes with a camera cover. Bumili pa naman ako nito online. Shipping na. Para ba ito ilagay? Ganyan. So, camera gimbal protector. So, yun na guys. That's it. Gonna try flying later.